Today I'm going to show you how to denoise grainy video in Premiere Pro. So I've already added some footage to my timeline, and if we zoom into the clip, we can clearly see there is some graininess in the image. To remove this noise, go over to Effects and search for VR Denoise and add the effect to your clip. Now go over to Effect Controls and scroll down to VR Noise, then uncheck Auto VR Properties. If your footage has any visible distortions, you can correct it by simply decreasing vertical field of view to 60. Now if we zoom back into our clip, we can remove some of the noise we see by increasing the noise level under Denoise. Increasing this value introduces smoothness to the clip to offset some of the noise, but please keep in mind, because every clip is different, it's best to start with a noise level of 0 and gradually increase the amount just until it starts to become a little blurry. If you want to denoise the video even further, go over to Lumetri Color and expand Basic Correction. Now depending on your clip, gradually increase the contrast and blacks until more of the noise disappears.